Careful harvesting protects both the fruit and the tree. Every bar of chocolate begins beneath the quiet canopy of cocoa trees.
Only perfectly ripe cocoa pods are chosen for exceptional chocolate.
Freshly harvested cocoa begins its journey immediately. Inside every pod are the precious cocoa beans. Fresh beans are carefully collected for fermentation.
Fermentation unlocks chocolate's future flavor.
Natural warmth begins the transformation. Days of fermentation create the foundation of chocolate. Expert inspection ensures consistent quality.